What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, I brought my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's up? How's everybody doing today?
Guys, we like to bring you information. We like to cover topics, but sometimes we like to cover the news as well. This is an informational and educational channel. Things that you need to be paying attention to in the markets. Well, we came across a pretty important article that we wanted to share with you guys in regards to NFTs and promotion. And Justin's going to kind of break that down for us. So go ahead, brother.
Okay, so 19 celebrities called out by consumer watchdog group for shilling NFTs. And there's some pretty notable names on here that I think everybody knows. So consumer watchdog group Truth in Advertising, Tina.org, has called out 19 celebrities for allegedly promoting NFTs without disclosing their connection to the project. Among the star-studded list are sports stars Floyd Mayweather and Tom Brady, two GOATs in the sport, even though I don't think Tom Brady's the GOAT, but whatever, that's my own personal feelings. But music icons Eminem and Snoop Dogg, and several actresses, including Gwyneth Paltrow, all of whom have been sent letters urging them to immediately disclose any connections they have to NFT companies or brands they've promoted. Okay? And while there's no real legal penalty that has been attached, Tina.org noted that it sent letters to the celebrities involved on August 8th outlining the grievances and advertising them of the potentially harmful effect shilling NFTs can have on the public. All right, so shilling NFTs could violate FTC guidelines. In a blog post on their website, Tina.org wrote that the previously mentioned celebrities could be violating the FTC's rules regarding the use of endorsements and testimonials in advertising, the requirements for influencers. Now, the SEC also came out in 2017 and said don't listen to celebrities when they're backing initial coin offerings. So all in all, we all know that celebrities will shill, all products. It's not just NFTs. They shill everything because that's how it works. They have influence. They're influencers, and companies come to them to get the word out. Now, it's our job as investors to actually do the due diligence, to look into what they're promoting, and then make the decision on our own. So, I mean, yes, while they have influence and they get things out there, my personal opinion on it is that as long as they weren't doing anything malicious or with the intent to hurt people, I think it's fine for them to endorse any product like they would when they get paid for other things. Now, I would like them to come out and say, hey, I got paid to do this, right? Or at least say, hey, I'm invested in this project that I'm shilling to you guys, which I think is the main point of the article. But I still believe that as an investor, it's our job to look into the project on our own.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more. You took the words right out of my mouth. I think it's important for them to divulge whether they're paid specifically to promote these particular NFTs or projects that they're in. However, it's similar to, as an investor, it's similar to in celebrities endorsing Hennessy or endorsing cigarettes or anything like that. You know that these things can be harmful to you, so you can't really look at the influence. You have to do your own research in regards to crypto and NFTs prior to purchasing something. As you can see here in this article, it details that, there's not really charges that can be brought. So the celebrities aren't going to get in trouble for it at this current moment until the SEC changes things, right? However, it's up to you as investors to, like we've said in previous videos, learn how to do your research on some of these NFT projects. Find out who the artist is, find out if it's a legit company that's kind of promoting these. Same thing in regards to crypto. Don't just listen to me, Justin, and any other influencers over here at ClearCryptos. Do your own research, which is, I think, the biggest factor to take away from this article moving forward. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for this episode of ClearCryptos Education Channel with myself, T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.